The main aim of doing titration is to find the strength or to find the molarity of the solution. For example, if I am taking one solution in the blue, let it be NaOH solution. Another we are taking in the what? Conical flask. So, if I have taken oxalic acid in the conical flask, it is acidic solution. So, we are doing titration to neutralize the reaction. Because already you read from 7th class that when acid reacts with base, we will get neutralization solution. Yes or no? So, our aim is how much NaOH is consumed here to make this solution as neutral. Means the acid will completely remove and you will get that. So when you will come to know that the acid is not at all present, when the color will change to light pink. Then again you will do like this. Then again the color disappear means again you have to consume because some acid left. So that's why the procedure it told that we have to reel the solution till the light pink does not disappear. If again it is disappearing, means again we have to add NaOH. So when our endpoint came means we will, for example, our endpoint came at 9.1. That will be your first reading. Make it as 9.1. Then he will perform. His reading will come around 9.5. So approximately your reading is between 9 to 10. Understood? So that will be your burette reading. Then from 2 you have to find the average. So that will be your final reading. Means 9.1 plus 9.5 divided by 2. That will be your average reading. Understood? Same. For you also. You have to perform 2 oxalic acid. Only if you will add. देखो ज़्यादा हो गया. So.
Good morning everyone. Today we are going to perform titration against NaOH with oxalic acid.
So now what you will do? You are going to weigh oxalic acid. How many gram?
0.6.
Very good. See, it came 1.
We have taken 0.6 gram of oxalic.
Yes. Then where you need to add? Very good. No problem. You have to add in this form. Okay. Clear? Over. If any leftover, you can do in this form. Fine. Then what you need to do? You have to make up the volume. Little you take. First dissolve it. Yes, enough. Then dissolve it. See, it is dissolving or not? We will. See, I think it is dissolved. Okay. Now make up the volume up to the mark. Take it. No problem. Slowly. Leave. See. After this, what you need to do? This much you have added. Then up to the lower meniscus. The lower meniscus should be in this mark. So what you need to do? Appropriate how you will get the result is you take this water in a beaker. Clear? Because directly if you do with this means it will not come. Then with the help of dropper, okay, then we will add slowly. See here. Drop wise, let it take time. Otherwise reading you will not get. One drop also, the reading will give you mistake. See the lower meniscus, Vijay. See, it is not up to the mark. The lower meniscus should be the mark. Not yet, more 2 drops. Is prepared. Now you have to rinse in this way. Okay? So that the complete oxalic acid will dissolve. Okay? Otherwise in this way also you can do.
Good morning everyone. Today we are going to measure sodium hydroxide till 2 grams.
For which experiment?
Titration.
Very good. Against oxalic?
Oxalic acid.
2 grams. In this form. You have to keep patience in chemistry lab. Transfer, I'll see. And now, dissolve it. Little it will take time, but dissolve it.
One more now.
Lower meniscus you check.
Done.
More now.
One more. Over.
Over.
Done.
Up to 0. Over. See, lower meniscus you see. If you keep like this, can you see? No. It should be up to here, to your eye level. Clear? Then we will pipette what? Oxalic acid. How much ml? 10 ml. So we have to rinse it because it is already present water. So pipette I am bringing 10 ml pipette. Transfer. Keep it. Close it and keep it. Okay? Now you take easily. See here. Slowly. Going. Over. See now? Okay, now transfer it to conical flask in the side like this. This large drop, leave like that. Okay, no need to do. Over. Now your time will be this, drop wise. Going. Okay? We will come to know. So up to there you have to open the knob. Then from there slowly you have to observe. See. No? Over? Got it? So what is the point? See here. Exactly 2 it came. So that will be your first reading. Second it will come 2.1. 2.3 means your reading will be 2 to 3. Understood? So this. Take, let it be wrong. A little more. Bas. More. Yes, yes. Leave little. हाँ, little. Yes, very good. Very good. हाँ, leave. Take here. Immediately you transfer. हाँ. Now you both come. Do titration. How you are doing? I'll see. Come, Nikita. Sanya, come here. हाँ. हाँ. Phenolphthalein 2 drops. Enough. Now do it. How to open? No, like this downside. Open downside slowly. Bus. Let it be like that only. Just you stir it. Do it. Yes. See, means it should go near to 4. Your reading will come. 2 difference. Okay? See, almost 4 के पास आ गया. So one by one, drop slowly you have to check. Because any time it can come now. See, near to 4 coming, okay? So when point came means immediately you have to stop. Drop by easy only you have to put. If more it will consume means your experiment will be wrong. अभी आ जाएगा. Understood? Now see here 4.1 means एक का रीडिंग तुम्हारा 2, एक का 2.1. Perfect. Came or not? Clear? Now Sanya, you do 1. Yes. Very good. हाँ, it will come. हो गया. Now अभी deserve it. रुको और एक ही ड्रॉप लगेगा. 1 drop will change. हाँ, enough. Deserve it. हाँ, आ जाएगा. हाँ, बस ज़्यादा खोल दिया ज़्यादा.
Good morning. Today I am going to take pipette out from.
Very good. Yes.
After titrating, we get colorless to light pink. It is our end point of our experiment. Thank you.
Very good.